Good day. So today we are checking out the quick shot modes of the Mavic Mini. I haven't yet tested what kind of quick shot modes there are. It's going to be a surprise for me. Let's check it out. So we are in air. So we have a droney, we have a rocket, we have a circle, and we have a helix. We have 4 different quick shot modes. So okay, let's test them out. You can set the distance from 25 to 40 meters. Let's get closer. All right. So surprisingly enough, the Mavic Mini has some sort of a tracking feature. Okay, let's see. So this is a droney going away 40 meters, and it starts. All right. It's pretty smooth. Looking good. All right, and it also pans up a bit. Cool. Very cool. Excellent. And now it's returning back home. Great. All right, so the next quick shot mode, we shall do the rocket. All right, so let's start. So this is basically, it will go over me and then it will go straight up. Gotta say, it's pretty cool, especially for people who don't have the skills to like do some moves. It's pretty cool. All right, so let's do a circle. Yes, and go that way and start. All right, and 40 is the circle. Cool. That's pretty precise. It's keeping me in center at all times. Quite impressive. Great. So that's the circle. Let's check out the helix. So helix, let's do the 40 meters and all right. Now let's press on me and let's do the helix. All right, helix, go. Amazing. Really keeps me in the center. Wow, that was so cool. So yeah, Mavic Mini has 4 quick shot modes and they all work very well, and I was actually quite surprised how well they work. Okay, so what do you think about the quick shots of this little Mavic Mini? I think they're pretty cool. If you like this video, please leave a like. If you want to see something more from me, consider subscribing. And if you are subscribing, then please click the bell thingy, because then you will be notified whenever I upload. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.